Welcome to Half A Hot Rods. I'm Adam. I'm a car guy. I like to watch car shows on TV, watch car movies, watch car shows on YouTube, and go to car shows in real life, even tinker on some of my own cars and my family's cars. And trying to figure that stuff out, I've been watching a lot of car shows on YouTube, and what I've seen, YouTube, Discovery Channel, all those, watching them all. What I've seen on those shows that seems to be a common thread is all those people have talent. A lot of them have lots of resources and money to play with. Most of them have a lot of skill. A lot of them have all the right tools. For the rest of us, like me, that don't have skills or talent or the right tools or any particularly high level of knowledge, what do? Well, we get on the internet and we figure it out. And that's what I'm hoping to do here. I didn't have anybody to teach me about this stuff when I was little. Most of what little skill I've got, I've picked up along the way from working with people that knew what they were doing and asking them questions. And then going home and trying to do this stuff myself, messing it up, having to fix it again. And you learn a lot that way. The hard way seems to be a great teacher. So what we're gonna do is share this with anybody that wants to watch. I especially hope to pass on the hobby to my kids, my little nephew, and just show people that you don't need a lot of tools, money, talent, knowledge to have a good time messing around with cars. If this sounds good to you, follow us on Facebook, half-a-hot rods, and on Instagram, half.a.hotrods, as well as subscribing to the YouTube channel that we're starting with this video. Go ahead and follow us and see what we're up to. We've got several videos lined up already, different projects we've been working on around the house. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it.